So I accidentally built a whole brand kit today. Yeah, me. Color palette, fonts, mood board, even a landing page design. And I didn't Google a single thing. I just opened a black box, hit this button called Operating AI, and shared my screen. Like, all I said was, hey, I need a cohesive brand vibe for this online jewelry shop I'm starting. Think soft golds, elegant fonts, and minimal layout. And this AI was like, say less. It started guiding me through everything. Step 1, pulled up references and gave me a full aesthetic direction. Step 2, built out a basic landing page, wireframe in Figma, and helped me pick out the right type, pairings, and spacing. Then it was like, let's grab some social icons, set your brand tone, and make sure your color contrast passes accessible checks. Like, what? Calm down, you are too good. It even said stuff like, we can simplify this section later, or here's a smarter way to handle mobile layout. And I'm just sitting there like sipping my coffee, making creative choices while it handles the technical stuff like a chill creative director who also happens to know perfect CSS. So yeah, if you're ever stared at a blank canvas and felt the existential dread of design decisions, try this. Operating AI plus screen share equals personal brand glow up in real time. Highly recommend.